Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings and join a stable Wi-Fi network now. Once done, open Messages and tap Send and receive to choose reachable addresses. Make sure your Apple ID email or the intended phone number is checked because iMessage uses those identifiers when no SIM is present. This first step connects identity to the iPad so messages route correctly. Continue only after Settings shows your Apple ID as active. Now, enable iMessage in Settings Messages. You may see activating. Wait patiently because Apple verifies your ID over the network. Next, tap Send and Receive and pick the email or number you want people to see. This determines your outgoing identity. Make sure Start New Conversations from is set correctly. For smooth cross-device use, enable FaceTime and Handoff. That lets texts and calls flow between your iPhone and iPad if available, and explains why continuity improves reliability. Finish by sending a test iMessage to confirm delivery appears as blue bubbles. Ask the other party to reply. If activation fails, sign out of your Apple ID on the iPad, reboot, then sign back in. This forces reauthentication. If that fails, reset network settings or toggle airplane mode briefly, because stale network caches often block activation. Make sure date and time are automatic. If issues still persist, check Apple's system status and retry later, since temporary server problems can interrupt activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.